Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and we have our special friend with us today also.
Hi, I'm Emily.
So Emily, what are we going to make today?
So today we are going to make thankful books, and we are going to write what we are thankful for.
Nice.
That's cute.
All right, so before we start our thankful book, we're going to do a thankful breath. So we're going to, if you want, you can place your hands on your belly, and we're going to just take some deep breaths in and out. And as you're breathing, think about a time when you felt grateful or thankful for something. Maybe somebody did something nice for you or gave you something that made you happy. Or think about a special person that you're grateful for, maybe somebody in your family or a special friend or even a pet that you're thankful for. So let's just think what we're thankful for and take a deep breath in and out. All right, and so now we're going to make a thankful book.
Okay.
Gail, what will we need for today's craft?
Okay, so today we're going to need paper bags, scissors, stapler or hole punch, markers, tape, straw or rubber band, paper, construction paper or recycled boxes, and googly eyes. So Emily, what's the first step?
Okay, so the first step would to take our paper bag or paper and make it into pages and then put a hole punch in them. I already added a hole punch in them.
So how many paper bags did you use, Emily?
I used one and I got like 4 pages out of it.
Okay. So I'm going to use 2, and I think what you did, Emily, am I correct? You folded them in half?
You can do that. I didn't fold mine in half, so they're just loose pages.
Yeah, that's what I did.
All right. So I'm going to fold mine in half.
And how did you attach it, Emily?
So I ran a rubber band through the first hole, and then you can use a straw or a popsicle stick and put it in to that, and then put the back side and bring the rubber band through that, and then pull it through and put the straw through the rubber band.
Oh,
So
that looks nice. I didn't have any rubber band, so I punched a hole on the sides and I tied it with some string.
that looks really nice.
Thank you.
And did you use paper bag, Gail?
Yes, I just cut a big paper bag into sheets.
Okay. So I didn't have a hole puncher, so I took 2 paper bags and folded them, and then I'm just going to staple on the folded side.
Okay, so there's lots of ways to do it.
Yeah, so then I have my pages.
Great. And so Emily, what's the next step?
So the next step would be to decorate the front page like a turkey.
Okay.
So you could have a beak. What was this part called again?
This part is called the gobble. And I cut mine out of, I'm using cereal boxes that I cut out for my feathers, so I also cut mine out of that. And I'm going to tape it on.
Okay. I'm using tape as well.
I'm using some glue dots actually for my eyes.
I use paper for my eyes because I don't have googly eyes.
And I'm going to use a marker and draw my eyes.
I use construction paper too for my nose and gobble or waddle. I thought it was called a waddle.
I think you can call it either one.
This is what mine looks like so far.
Oh, that's so cute. Here's mine.
I love the eyelashes.
Thank you. Okay, and while Peggy's doing that, what's the next step that we do?
So the next step would to be adding feathers to the back page.
Okay,
So I did that by cutting out a feather shape out of construction paper.
okay, and did you tape it?
I will be taping it.
Okay, so like I said, I cut my feathers out of boxes that I took out of my recycling. So they're gonna have different colors on them. So they'll look like that.
Right, so you can, I did some out of construction paper. And so I'm gonna do that. And you can do anything, any kind of paper. You could color the feathers.
Yes. Anything goes.
You could also give this book to somebody as a little gift.
That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm hoping that person is not watching right now because they'll know what I'm going to give them.
So this is what it looks like.
Oh, that looks great.
I have a few feathers. I'm gonna add some more.
Here's my feathers.
That looks really good.
Thank you. And then what do we do on the pages if you'd like to do this part?
So if you'd like to do this part, you can take a marker or a pen, it doesn't really matter. And then you just write down what you're thankful for.
Beside each page.
I'm gonna do one page
Me too.
right now. And I wrote, I'm thankful for my dogs. I have 4 dogs and I'm very thankful for each of them.
I'm going to write. I did write. I am thankful for my family.
Nice.
Oh, you stole mine. I wrote, I'm thankful for my family too.
That's nice.
The other thing I like about if you use a paper bag, a sandwich bag, is these little pockets, and you can kind of put little surprise things in there. Like I have like a lot of little heart-shaped rocks, so I'm gonna stick one in the pocket.
Wow.
Maybe I'll
That's
like
so cool.
tape it closed so it doesn't fall out, but I can maybe write a message to peek inside the pocket.
That's a great idea. I love that.
I love that idea.
So I'm going to work on mine for the rest of the afternoon for a little while. And thank you so much, Emily, for teaching us this craft.
Yeah, of course. I had a lot of
And
fun doing this.
if
Yes.
you'd like to see our other craft videos, you can go to www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting!
Bye, have fun.
Bye.